good afternoon from AlphaCars. My name's Tom. Today I'll be coming at you from our North Hampton location. Beautiful day to be taking a look at this 2016 BMW 320i. This is the xDrive model. Car's showing just over 64,000 miles. It's in outstanding condition, both mechanically and cosmetically. You can see that glacier silver metallic paint really coming out on days like this when the sun's out shining. A lot of metallic content in the paint really helps it pop out on days like this. Now, this car only has one prior owner. And as you'll see in the Carfax report available on the listing at alphacars.com, we do have an extensive maintenance record for this car. It has been very well maintained. You can see on the front end there, on the front fascia, there's no major rock chipping. Headlights are in great shape. Same goes for the wheels. Now, being the 320i, this is a great way to get into a BMW and enjoy all the luxuries of the interior without having to spend a whole lot of money. See, it has the sunroof there I opened up, let some natural light in. Seats showing minimal wear, if any. I mean, truly, this is where you'd see most of the wear from people sliding in and out. And you get none of that with this interior. This car was stunning. So we'll hop in. See the beautiful analog gauges. Multimedia screen. We've got this nice wood grain finish on the trim running all throughout the interior. It is push button start. So the key's in my pocket, foot on the brake, and one tap of the button gets you going. Now I have let this car sit. So this was a cold start. I'm gonna hop out and show you the motor, let you hear it running. No hood latches to play with, 2 pulls on the interior switch there, and you just pick it right up. Engine is running quite happily at idle here after a cold start. This is BMW's twin power turbo on a 2-liter 4-cylinder. One of the benefits of this motor is that you're gonna see just about 35 miles per gallon on the highway. That's gonna save you a lot of time and money at those gas stations. And we all like that. Move around to the back seats. So even though this is one of the smaller BMWs they offer, there's plenty of room. Again, driver's seat is positioned where I'd be driving. I'm about 6'4". Got plenty of room between my knee and the seats, and I'm sitting quite comfortably back here. You do have your own climate vents, power outlet. You do have an armrest, pulls out from the center. Also featuring a couple cup holders for your rear passengers, easily stows away if you'd like to throw a third passenger in between. Nice view of that cockpit area. Now let's just hop around to the trunk, show you some of the storage space in the back. You can see there the floor mats are in great shape. There's no staining. Look really good. You got this cargo net on the trunk floor and plenty of space for whatever you need back here. Again, this is a great way to get into a BMW and really enjoy all those luxuries. Still save some money at the gas station. It's still just a great car to drive. So if you have any further questions, please reach out to Mike or Rodolfo in sales. We'd love to hear from you. And yeah, absolutely come take a look at this BMW. We're sure it will make somebody very happy. We hope to hear from you soon. Thanks again from Tom at AlphaCars. Have a good one.